Today maths trick, difference between conjugative numbers. Suppose example 13 square minus 12 square is equal to 13 plus 12 25. Another one example 21 square minus 20 square. The result is 21 plus 20 41. 32 whole square minus 31 whole square is equal to 32 plus 31 63. 45 whole square minus 44 whole square. The result is 45 plus 44 equal to 89. నచ్చితే షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి.